like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul.
I feel like I got a black girl blowout at home. Hey girl, hey, let's fix this hair today because it's looking raggedy. This is what I do whenever I don't want to go back and wash my silk press, because like I just don't feel like doing it and I'm lazy sometimes, or I don't have the time. I like to use this Batiste dry shampoo. This is the Tropical Exotic Coconut, and basically you just want to shake it real good, okay, because that's how you activate it. You got to shake it up real good. And then I go through my hair. I'll start in the middle, and you want to get a little bit of distance, and you just spray it, see? Then you massage it in, and it's just gonna dry up all the oil so that you get some more movement and volume, and you can actually put your fingers through your hair. So then I just go throughout my hair, and do y'all see how like much dandruff I have? This is so embarrassing, but I'm just trying to be real with y'all. So you want to spray it like at least 12 inches away. Work it in there. So I like to do the roots first, and then if I need to do the ends I will, but normally my ends are pretty decent. Woo. I'm just working my way back, and so next I just take my wide tooth comb and I go through my hair to get those tangles out, and to also comb the product through my hair. So this product basically just helps like refresh your hair. It's not gonna take all your dandruff away or anything like that, but it is gonna soak up all the oils and give you some movement back into your hair. And the ends look decent, but I am going to just do like one big spray. I apologize for the noise in the background. That is my children. But anyway, I went ahead and did the other side, and this is what my hair is looking like. I already brushed through it, but I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is like a wet brush, and just go through it one more time. And now for the fun part, I part my hair again in sections. Okay, I have my hair in 4 sections, so that's what it's looking like. Okay, this is the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So I like to take this. It has those little brushes in there, if you guys can see that, which just kind of helps smooth my hair. I'm gonna go through my hair in sections, and I do use this on high. So while the hair is still hot, I like to basically do like a big pin curl, and I just use my fingers, I hope y'all can see that, to like roll the hair. And this just helps it to set while it's still warm. It's not gonna be perfect, but I'm not looking for like a perfect hairstyle or anything. I'm just looking for something, you know, easy, a little bit of volume. I just wanted to let y'all know that in the back of my head, I like to do my hair the opposite way. So I'm not blow drying it under. I'm doing the flip out method, as you can see, and I let the heat kind of set there at the end, and I just keep on rolling the comb through to give me my desired look, and it's gonna come together really well in the end. So just keep watching. So here's the back. It's a little smoky in here, I'm sorry. I was saying that I like to do the flipped out method in the back. So I flip the hair and I'm just rolling it up into a little pin curl, and then I'm gonna clamp that, and I'm gonna do the other side basically the exact same. Okay, so let's take down my hair. Lord have mercy. The fan is on, so my hair is just blowing everywhere. Wow, do y'all see that? Goodness gracious. We're gonna call that the black girl blowout right there. I like that it's kind of messy and not perfect, and the curls are just like wherever. So that makes me really, really happy. All right, y'all, so this is how the hair turned out. It is super duper bouncy and just, it looks like I got a blowout, a black girl blowout, okay? Yeah. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave a thumbs up for me. Comment down below what you thought about the hair, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.